Sir, do you feel that some of the points from a historical basis in terms of yung accuracy po niya were not accurate, or were there parts that you feel that was maybe subject to historical revisionism?
For example, parang they're so bent on making this, it's just so simplistic eh, parang where it came from there, and then today we're like this. So everyone's like, oh, so that's where all the bad things came from. Everything our government and our country suffers from came from Quezon. Also, there's a part there. They have this fictional newspaper man. Yun ang avatar ni Tarug. So, fictional newspaper, all the preachy things and ad hominem attacks comes from him. So he is the publisher of a newspaper, a fictional paper called Alerta,
Mm-hmm.
na pina-shutdown daw ni Quezon. Oh, no such thing. Quezon never shut. Parang so, alam ko na ginagawa nila. So the viewer will say, parang ginawa ni Digong sa ABS-CBN. Yun lang obvious ko.
Okay.
Doon ka dinadala eh, di ba? Pinadala ni Xiao Chua sa akin yung study guide nila. Meron dong part na sinabi, Quezon asked his friends to put up a newspaper to defend him, and then to get paper to supply that newspaper, they bought another newspaper, shut it down, and used the paper for that. So iba yon. Throughout the movie, that is what he's doing, this Tarog. He is taking snippets from historical records, or from the documents or whatever, biography, whatever books and materials they have used. They take snippets of the truth and they run away with it.